So since we've gone, they've got the line arrays up, they got the screen up, they have all the lighting. Front of house guys putting the audio using Yamaha LS9. So that was from my old days. Used to do like DMX lighting and stuff like this back in the day. So very cool to see it here. Using manual chain falls though, not powered. We got the B&W booth. Oh, KTM booth is here now. We have to go see KTM for sure. So B&W Hyderabad, they have the GS launch, the 310 lineup R launch as well for the first time in Hyderabad. Then they have the tire people here, Metzler and Pirelli. There you go, at 310. These bikes are 10 days old here. Pumps, it's loud back here. Good for them. So this bike here, guys, is a 97 135cc two-stroke, and the owner, he always keeps his he has lots of antiques. So for a bike like this in this condition out here is crazy. Like, it looks brand new. Looks really good, really good. This is how they put on the front license plates in India. They have this device that goes off the fairing bolts. Crazy. And that one has it too over there. LED panels. So these guys put in like a Tesla style screen into these cars. It looks really good. This car that it's in is called, this is a Marinda, how do you say this brand?
XC500,
Mahindra XC500. So we don't have these cars where I live, but of course, that's cool. They do like Tesla style. So yeah, very popular SUV in India, so they do the full conversion. That's very cool.
with the brand Bajaj Pulsar.
So this is called a Pulsar, and what's the manufacturer?
It's Bajaj.
Bajaj. And it's got a KTM motor in it, he was saying.
Yeah.
So this is like a
engine. You can see the engine, you can make it out.
A 390.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
390.
That's so funny. Crazy looking bike. This is made in India. We don't have these, of course. Guys, I'm in a new car spotter in India. I found a Bugatti. Oh man. What is it called?
It's a Suzuki. Actually, it's a Suzuki 1300cc.
It's a Suzuki. How many cc?
1300cc.
1300. So the real Bugatti is how many liters?
Not sure.
I'm not sure. I forget. That's hilarious. Suzuki 1300cc. So the women here wear, what's it called? Sari? Sari. And so they call this a guard because when they sit on the back, they don't want the dresses to get into the chain. So they come with a guard now on some bikes. It's crazy. And of course the front license plate holder.
Impossible. You can still lean in more and go faster. And that's what we do. We are always chasing the impossible.
BMW. Alright, so the KTM bikes have shown up on the truck. The size, that is, look at this, tiny. Tires are, these new tires. The 390 we have back home. This one's a 200 we don't have back home. Even though it looks like a 390, but still. And this one here is a 250, we don't have this one either. Oh, they have the guards too, hey? That's for when they wear dresses, I guess.
it's not built to try and be anything more than just fun and a way to make every ride to work and in a package that's right fun and works in trying to shape you in every situation. It's a great bike.
Look at that, guys. It's a big ass screen now. iPads on all the bikes. This one too? No, this is the old one still. Alright, so we got the food now. Here's our tour guide. What is this one? That's rice. That's easy.
Vegetable biryani.
Okay, yeah. Rice.
And this is chicken curry. Well spicy.
Nice.
This is mutton.
Nice.
I mean the lamb.
Lamb. Okay.
This
Rice.
is zira rice.
Euro rice?
Zira rice.
Zero rice.
And this is paneer.
Paneer is
Paneer masala.
early processed cheese.
Processed cheese. Okay.
This is dal.
This is
Lentils.
lentils.
Good.
That is what we
Making all the food for us at the event. He's gonna find the bar now. That's what I need to find. Making there?
is making dough for
Dough?
the chapati.
Nice.
Tortilla.
RC car track they made. Look at that little Red Bull ramp right here. Oh yeah, it's really cool. Oh, it smells like two-stroke. So that guy there, he for a hobby in his business, he fixes up old bikes. He likes old bikes, so that's very cool. He has like a Norton. He said he had a Royal Enfield, stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. There we go. Suzuki's now getting set up. It's looking way better now. Gem is the dealership, I guess.
Fun.
Tires have finally arrived for Metzler
Every journey.
and Pirelli.
With a smile on your face. You can still lean in more and go faster, and that's what we do. We are always chasing.
And what do I put with this? A little bit of chicken.
Gravy, put the chicken. Koncham.
Okay.
Wanna try?
No, I'll try this. So in India, we eat all this with no forks, no nothing. It's all done with like hands. People eat with their hands here, see? Just like that, with your hands. It's really good, but for me, it's really, really spicy. Like, my lips are on fire right now. Kiki, do you love me? They messed up the song, they messed it up. Take number 30 now. Take number 31. 33. How many takes now, Yon?
381.
381, okay.
I've been popping, man, I feel just like a rock star.
The event got entered the paper. That's cool.
Doesn't come this way.
All right, guys. So this is a Jeep copycat. I thought it was a Jeep, but it's not. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. So it's called. How do you say it? The brand?
Mahindra Thar.
Okay. I was like, oh, I saw a Jeep, but then the guy's like, no, it's not. It's an Indian version. That's crazy. I'm more concerned about them thick strips though, boy.